Hi friends, good afternoon. My name is Achyut and I'm from Isaac. So in the previous class of Linux, we have learned almost 20 Linux commands, right? So the remaining 10 Linux commands, the basic Linux commands, we will learn today. So what are those and how we can use those commands in the terminal, and we will see. So let us get into the class. So Module 1, monitoring system and processes. So what is the module 1? Monitoring system and processes. This command provides a dynamic, real-time view of a running system. It displays a list of processes and threads currently being managed by the Linux kernel. What it will display? The list of processes. So what is the process which you are doing? It will display the list of processes and threads. And next one, PS. This command reports a snapshot of the current process. So what are the process that you are currently doing? It will give the snapshot. That's it. Like you will put this snapshot in your phone, right? So like that only. It will give the current process snapshot. That's it. So hands-on experience, use top to monitor real-time system performance. Then use PS to list all running processes. So what? Use top to monitor real-time performance. Use PS to list all running processes. Managing process. Kill. This command sends a signal to the process. So what kill will do? This command sends a signal to the process, typically to stop the process. So like you're doing a process or some process, and if you want to stop that process, then you have to use kill command to stop that process. For example, to terminate a process with PID 1, 2, 3, 4. So then you will have to write column kill 1, 2, 3, 4. Then that process will be terminated or stopped. Hands-on exercise. Find an unresponsive application using ES, then terminate it using kill. So find an unresponsive application using PS, then terminate it using kill. So don't worry, I will execute all these commands in the terminal and I will show it to you. So module 3, file management and archiving. tar command. This command is used to create and extract tar archives. This command is used to create and extract tar archives to create an archive of a directory. So this is the example how we can use the tar command. So in the next video, I will execute this thing and I will explain to you what is tar command. Now, what is the functionality it will do? What is the use of tar command? It will create and extract tar archives. To create and extract archives. That's it. gzip. This command is used to compress or expand files. So this command is used to compress. If you want to compress any file, then this gzip will be used, and to expand any file, this gzip will help you. So hands-on experience, archive a folder using tar, then compare it with gzip. And module 4, downloading and transferring data. So this command is a simple way to download files from the internet. So what wget will do, it will simply download files from internet to download a file from a URL. So for example, wget. So and link, URL link. So what is the file which you want, and you have to specify the URL link. Then the downloaded files will be downloaded from the the link material will be downloaded from the internet. And curl. This command transfers data from OR to a server. So OR to a server. So this command transfers data from OR to a server. OR to a server. To download a file, example curl --0 http://example.com/file.iso. Hands-on experience. Use wget to download your favorite open source software and curl to download a web page. So wget to download your favorite open source software. If you want to download any software, then you have to write wget and the URL that your software is acquiring and download the software and curl to download a web page. So module 5, remote system access. SSH, this command is used for secure remote login. So SSH means it will use it for secure remote login to connect a remote server. To connect with a remote server, what command is used? SSH. You have to write SSH user at the rate of remote underscore host. Then it will be like you can securely remote login. You can log in with the, like you can securely remote login will be happen. So hands-on experience, practice logging into a remote server using SSH. Use this command and logging into the remote server. Module 6, learning more with manuals. So what is the manuals? This command, man command, this man command displays the manual page for other commands. So which means, for example, man, cat. So if you write man cat, so what cat command will do? It will display the content in the file. So it will tell, man command will tell this is a cat command. It will display the content in the file. So this description will be given by the man command. So all the commands will, if you want to know what is the command, so you can, if you want to know something, you don't know the command in the Linux. So if you want to know what that command, what to do, like what will do, then you have to use this man command and the required command that you want to know. Like for example, I want to know the cat command. So I have to write man and cat. So man will do, what will do man command will do? It will tell about the cat command. So what cat command will do? It will display the content in the file. That's it. So hands-on exercises. Use man to look up the manual for to top and kill. Module 7, working with text. So this command outputs the string, like it's a output command echo. So if you want to print anything on the system, then you have to use echo. The command outputs the string, it is being passed an argument to display a simple message, echo hello world. So if you want to display any message, like you have to write echo hello world, then it will display on the terminal. So that's it, friends. So these are the 10 commands. The basic 30 commands are finished. So in the next video, I will execute all those things and I will explain to you. So if you find this video is helpful for you, please like it and please share it to your friends so that they can be benefit from this video. And please subscribe to my channel and please ring the bell icon. Then only you'll get the notification, or otherwise you will not get the notification. Thank you, friends. Jai Hind.